Hello guys, back with me, Bayu Parmana, on the Bayu Code YouTube channel. I'm back again in the video editing tutorial segment. As the title suggests, in this video I will discuss editing on how to change ordinary videos to 4K quality using the CapCut application, of course, simply and Okay guys, without waiting any longer, let's get straight to the discussion. If you have created a timeline, edited and add the RAWs at the same time, click the video, then select the Customize menu. First, select Sharpen and set Sharpen to 100. Then select the contrast set to 8. Saturation set to 8 as well. Then highlight set to 10. Last, shadow set to 8. If you click check, go to the beginning of the video, then select the effects menu. Click video effect. Select effects search and search the name of the effect Smart Sharpen. Because the effect options are many, you can choose the effect of sharpening the edge. Click Customize Effects, set Blur to 0. Sharpen it to 40 or 50. Range set to 40. And size into 8. And the filter set it to 20. And if you have selected back to the timeline editing view, extend effects until the end of the video. Select again, then select the overlay menu. Click Add Overlay. Then select the library. Input hold white background. If already selected, click Add. Zoom in size until it covers the main clip. Then select the Splice menu and select the overlay section. Set the intensity of the overlay to 20 or 30. Adjust to your respective video, and when it is set, just click the check. Click the overlay, then select the speed menu, then choose normal, and set the speed to 0.5 but if the video is long, you can set it to 0.1, and if it's too long, the overlay you can fit with the end of the video. If you can play the video, and then just export it. Export settings, just follow it like this, guys. And if you click export, guys, if it's already in export, we checked before. And after editing, whether the results are good or not, you can just value it yourself. Maybe like that for video editing tutorial for you guys. Good luck and hopefully useful tutorial. I say goodbye to see you in the next video.